One, we are the people.
Two, a little bit louder. Three, we want justice for all prisoners. One,
We are the people.
two, a little bit louder. Three, we want justice for our families. One,
We are the people.
two,
A little bit louder.
three,
We want justice for our families. One.
We're just here to support you. We know about the prison industrial complex. The people are making money from locking you up. And we're protesting against cruel and unusual punishment in the shoe. Prisoners being locked up not for days, not for weeks or months, but decades.
And while we're back here, also to remember that there's solitary confinement happening right here in this building. I know people who have mental problems and are locked up here in complete isolation.
I just want to share a quote from Assata Shakur that I just read earlier today, and I thought it was very fitting. We need a re-evolution of the mind. We need a re-evolution of the heart. We need a re-evolution of the spirit. The power of the people is stronger than any weapon. A people's re-evolution cannot be stopped. We need to be weapons of mass construction. We need to be weapons of mass love. It's not enough to just to change the system. We need to change ourselves.
We love you! We support you! We love you! We support you! We love you! We support you! We love you! We support you!
Prisoners demand
Recreation!